Hi, third graders. We're going to talk about gallons, quarts, pints, and cups today. And I'm going to hopefully show you a way that will help you remember how much is in each one, okay? So let's look at that guy first. I called him a guy because, well, this guy is called gallon guy. Okay? And as you can see, I have a big G here for gallon because gallon is my biggest of these measurements. And inside my gallon, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Q's standing for quarts. Okay, so my biggest one I said was gallon. And then I have 4 quarts inside my gallon. Now notice, in each quart there are 2 pints. So there are 2 pints. I'm going to put 4 quarts equals 2 pints. But how many pints are in a gallon? How many P's are inside my G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it takes 8 of these pints to make a gallon. Okay? Now we have cups. We have those little C's inside of there. How many little C's are in each P? You're right, there are 2 cups in 1 pint. Good job, guys. And if we count by 2s to see how many is in a gallon, it'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Holy moly. 16 cups in a gallon. Okay. So you can see if you draw your gallon guy, we put 4 quarts in there. And there's 2 pints in each quart and 2 cups in each pint. This will help us remember. So if we are looking at gallon guy, how many pints are in a quart? So if I'm talking about a quart, I look at my Q. And I'm talking about pints. How many are in there? You're right, there are 2 pints in a quart. How about this? How many pints are in a gallon? So we need to count all our P's. 2, 4, 6, 8. You're right, there are 8. Good job. 8 pints in a gallon. Okay, guys. I just happened to have finished off a milk jug today. Okay? And this milk jug is 1 gallon. 1 gallon. So I want to show you a little experiment here. I have a quart jar. This is 1 quart. Okay, so I'm going to pour water into my 1 quart to show you we can do this. There's 1 quart. Now let's see. We said from our gallon guy that 1 quart is 2 pints. I have a pint jar. We should be able to fill this jar twice from my quart jar. There's once. Let's see if we can fill it again. We did it, guys. So we just showed that one of these quarts makes one of these pints. Okay, now I also have right here for us to use, this is a 1 cup jar. Okay, so remember we said that in our gallon guy, how many cups are in a pint? How many C's are inside those P's? You're right, there are 2. So we should be able to take our pint jar and fill this cup jar twice. There's once. And there's twice, guys. We did it. 2 cups in 1 pint. All right, if your mom or dad has some of this stuff, you could try some of this yourself too if they say it's okay. All right, guys. Hey, listen, you have a great Easter, and we will see you again Tuesday. Bye.